So you want to learn how to copy trade a wallet that you just found? Maybe it's a crypto streamer and you found his wallet. Then I got you with this quick tutorial. I'm going to use the Telegram bot Bloom. There will be a link in the description to it. Click start and continue. Now after you have saved your private keys, you're ready to copy trades. Now you of course need funds in the wallet. Just copy the wallet shown, send funds to it and click refresh. Now click copy trade. Click add new config. Now paste in the address you want to copy trade and press enter. Give the wallet a name. Now this can look a little confusing, but it's easy to set up. Be sure the correct wallet is chosen. First interaction, don't change anything. Activate multi-region. Be sure the bot processor is showing the closest country to you. Click on it to change between countries. Platforms you can disable if you, for example, don't want to copy any coins from Moonshot, but just leave this on. What is the max you want to buy? I tested it with 0.05 per trade, so I'm just going to leave it at that. But you should choose what you feel like. The lower, the harder it is going to be profitable due to fees. $10 per trade is probably the lowest I would go. Minimum and maximum buy, minimum and maximum market cap, you don't need to change anything here. Follow sells. When the guy you are copying sells, for example, 100% or 50%, you're going to follow that, enable that in my opinion, but you can also just sell on your own easily. Buy only once. Let's say the guy you're copying buys a new token 3 times in a row. Leaving this on means you're only going to buy that token once. I just leave it off. Buy exact, buy fixed, and buy percentage. When I first tested this, I put on buy percentage and typed in 1%, which means if the person bought $500 worth, I got $5. But I quickly found out that wasn't a good idea because even though I should make a profit, it often just got eaten up by fees. Buy exact, of course, means if the guy you copy trade buys $500 worth, then you also buy $500 worth. Buy fixed is what I have had the best experience with. Buy fee and sell fee, for me it worked around 0.0018 and 0.002 for both. Let's say I put this at 0.001. If the trade don't go through, then I lose this 0.001, even though I don't get any tokens. So it's a good idea to have it a little higher, like 0.002. You can of course go even higher if you feel like it. Buy slippage and sell slippage. Buy slippage I put around 30 to 40% and sell slippage at 100%. In my opinion, sell slippage at 100% is very important. Let's say the coin starts to rug. You want to get out as fast as possible before it goes to zero. But I've also seen people be around 70 to 80, but in my opinion, 100% is best. Mev Protect I just leave off, but if you trade over 0.4 Solana per trade, then you should leave this on. Auto tip off, buy tip and sell tip should stay at nothing also. Blacklist tokens, if you don't want to trade a specific coin, then copy that address and paste it here. Now you're ready. Click activate and it will copy every trade. Always turn this off when you don't want to copy trade. A good idea is to go back and click pause all just to be safe. I once tried deactivating it here, but it still did a copy trade after for some weird reason. And when I clicked pause all, it worked. Here you can see my copy trader stats after leaving it running for 2 hours. And in the beginning, I was copy trading 1% of the wallet I was tracking's trades, but I quickly found out that wasn't going to work, so I set it to 0.05% per trade. Otherwise, it's just going to get eaten by fees. So, in my opinion, setting a fixed amount is best. And most of the times, I also sold before the guy I was tracking sold. Just click positions, click so it shows USD, click sell position and type in 100%, and then you can sell on this button and also update it real time to see the price. When the person you are tracking sells, the price most of the time probably takes a big hit depending on his entry, which is also known as nuking. So in my opinion, the only way to be profitable is by selling before the guy you track sells. But leaving copy sells on is still a good idea in my opinion. If you want to track your Bloom wallet on BullX, just copy the address and paste it into BullX tracker, and when you want to withdraw, just go back to withdraw and set address to your Phantom or Coinbase, whatever you now use. But there you go. If this video helped you in any way, then please leave a like. It helps out more than you know. Thanks for watching.